Well, your summer barbecue might be getting more expensive. The price of beef is skyrocketing to a record high. And here with a closer look at the impact, NBC senior business correspondent Christine Romans. Christine, good morning to you.
Good morning.
First eggs, now beef.
I know.
What happened to the steak and eggs breakfast?
I know. Look, it is a noticeable jump. You've got ground beef above $6 a pound for the first time in history. The government has been following these numbers for a long time, above $6 a pound, up almost 12% from last year. And steaks, you've probably noticed, almost $12 a pound, up about 8%. The American Farm Bureau Federation saying that there's really strong demand. The Tyson, the meat company, saying it's a challenging beef environment here. So you have noticed, and the government says they expect beef prices to rise, beef and veal prices to rise almost 7% this year.
So why the spike right now, Christine? What's behind this?
You've got smaller herds. You've got fewer family farms. You've got 7% fewer farms since 2017. You've got inflation and high interest rates making a very challenging environment for a lot of these farmers. And then you've got drought in the Midwest and in the plain states that is really, there's less acres to actually be grazing on. So all of that kind of feeding into this for farmers. And so that's really the bottom line there. You've also got a challenging import situation. We're looking at higher border fees for Brazilian beef. And then you've got a ban on imports from Mexican beef because of this weird screw worm that has infected some of those cattle.
Well, leave us with some good news.
I will.
Egg prices actually are going down.
They are. So the egg situation seems to be getting back under control. You've got egg prices down dramatically from where they were in March. March was the record. They are still higher than last year, but they are improving. And we talked to Michael Swanson, who is the chief economist, ag economist over at Wells Fargo. And he says it's easier to kind of rebuild the egg supplies and the beef supplies. There are some concerns it could take a couple of years to figure out this beef situation. But if you're home, look, pork prices are basically flat, so you might want to switch to the other white meat. Also, check the cuts and buy in bulk, as Al Roker loves to do. Buy in bulk and store your beef when you find it on sale.
Freeze it.
Freeze it.
Yes. All right. Christine, thank you very much.
Thanks, Christine.
Hey, thanks for watching. And don't forget, you can catch the Today Show every morning on NBC or take Today when you're on the go. Just follow the Today podcast on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you listen.